Hello my loves, today we're going to be planning a spread in my journal for the last week of August, so August 28th through September 3rd, and I'm going to go ahead and use the seasonal sticker book from Plannything. I really love her little trees and houses, especially the seasonal ones, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and add all of these little elements and build a city. So that's what I kind of want to do. And I want to transition from like summer to fall. So that's what I'm going to be doing with those. So on September 1st, even though it's not technically fall, it's still summer, I wanted to transition into the red colors. My trees outside of my office window are starting to turn like the tips of it into red trees. So I can't wait to see my whole street kind of all red again. So when I was setting up my office, I knew that that's where I wanted the office based on the view. We did ended up moving 2 years ago in October, so I had a full view of all the red trees. It was amazing. And ever since then, I look forward to the season. So that's what happens. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks so much for coming in and spending time with me. If you guys hear the barks, that's little Toa. He's a 3-month-old Westie, and he's very rambunctious, so he tends to bark whenever he can. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more elements. Maybe not the grass. Maybe I can do the grass later. But yes, I want to add some summer houses, some like very happy, colorful houses. Where I live, everything tends to be the same color. In Midwest, we don't really color our homes outside of the typical like brown, tan, white, maybe dark blue. So I don't see this unless I go to Florida. But on this side, I'm going to go ahead and add some of these really lovely fall homes, and we'll see how it goes. And I know the big box is a Halloween box. Oh well, I'm going to embrace it, so whatever. Some people are already starting to decorate for Halloween if it's their favorite holiday, so I am fully embracing this. Now add this colorful tree. Look at my little street. I love it. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add some random like trees and stuff into the spread itself. I think it would be a lot of fun to have that in my little assemble here. So then when I'm writing, I have all of these elements and it's super fun. That's how I love to plan. So I'm going to add a house next to it. And again, this is my journal, so there's no rhyme or reason for the way I'm arranging things. I never know what's going to be happening the following week and where I'm going to be emotionally and what I'm going to need to write. So hence, this is kind of freehand, whatever I feel like, which is fun, right? I love being able to do that. And I'm going to put the tree on top. I think that looks great. And then I need a couple more boxes to write in, so I'm going to grab one more so I can write something in here. I do like having boxes to break down things that I write in. By the way, these stickers, these box stickers are so thick. They're so luxurious. I really like having them in my planner. So I'm going to add this tan one. And I think, let's see, I think that might be pretty much it as far as my spread goes. I will add maybe a few circles because I do, like I said, I do like having like headers and things that are standing out in my journal. So maybe I'll use a couple of these like round stickers, and then maybe like yellow and orange on the other side to signify fall. This is still summer, so yellow. Okay. I think that's good. It's going to give me a chance to put my headers in there. And I'm going to pop this back into my planner. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon for another one. Bye.